Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to talk about German grammar, which is also part of my course for beginners, where I teach you German by following a story. And today's topic is the structure of the main sentence, because German structure is quite different to the English structure. So let's see some examples. So normally we put in first position, let's take a really general example, the subject. So in this case we could use the subject like ich. And in position 2, that's the most important thing, we need our conjugated verb. For example, ich gebe. Then we put the indirect object. Ich gebe dem Sohn. Maybe we have a time. Heute, a place, zu Hause, and then in the end the direct object, den Ball. Okay? Ich gebe dem Sohn heute zu Hause den Ball. So what's important here? The verb has to be in second place. And another important rule here, the indirect object goes before the direct object and also the time goes for place. So remember, no? Here's a table about dative and accusative and nominative case. Therefore we have dem Sohn and we have den Ball. Okay, I explained this already in a different video. If you want to know more about this, just check out this video. So in most cases, no, this sentence structure is correct in this way. No? Important, the verb has to be in position 2. But let's change it a little bit. If I like, I can put, for example, heute in first place. But then something happens because the verb stays at second position and the subject goes in third position. And we say, heute gebe ich dem Sohn zu Hause den Ball. Okay? When it's really important for me that heute, no, today, it's a really important information, I can put it in first place. And it's quite common to do this. Okay? And in English we would say today I give, but in German we say today give I. Okay, so please remember the verb stays in second place. Okay, so if we for example change the accusative in a direct object into a pronoun, no? Then we will have this. Heute gebe ich ihn, no, the ball, it's ihn, dem Sohn zu Hause. Okay? So it goes closer to the verb because it's a pronoun. Okay? So really important. Okay? And if we also change Sohn to a pronoun, then the sentence would be heute gebe ich ihn ihm zu Hause. Okay? In this moment, when we have pronouns, the accusative goes first and the dative goes second. Okay, so really important to remember this. So let's do another change. When we have, for example, the word und, there are some conjunctions, they take position 0. No, I call it position 0, like und, oder, aber, sondern, denn. No, und it's and. No, it's actually no information at all, so it doesn't count. So the sentence would be und heute gebe ich dem Sohn zu Hause den Ball. So just we put und in position 0 and the rest stays the same. And the last one, for example, if we have two verbs in the sentence, no? In this case we have heute will ich dem Sohn zu Hause den Ball geben. Today want I the son at home the ball give. No? The verb what we conjugate stays in second position and the second verb goes all the way to the end. That's quite special about German structure. So remember, if we have two verbs, the conjugated verb goes second and the other one goes to the end. Yeah, that's the German structure of main sentences. I hope you liked the video. and you will have much more examples in my course as well, and you will see that every time we apply the rule that in the main sentence the verb what we conjugate is in second place. Thank you very much and see you soon with more videos about German grammar.